It's Thursday, May 29th. In the headlines, above normal activities forecast for the 2025 Atlantic hurricane season. A call for a unified national approach to disaster preparedness. USF set to bring free internet access to agri-parks. In business news, the Bank of Jamaica reports increase in remittances. Regionally, in Barbados, the Association of Caribbean States looking to address challenges facing the region. And in sports, Dennis Chung resigns from the Jamaica Football Federation, says he's leaving the organization in good financial standing. This is the news on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. For the full newscast, head over to our YouTube and Facebook pages.